Hey guys, here's an easy rat ult for the seaside of Lotus. You're going to plant the spike in this spot here.
I've dropped the spike. Spike is here.
Next,
Here.
to set up your ult, walk into this corner and aim up and to the left.
Don't get in my way.
When the ult spreads, sit in this pocket beside the box. To molly the spike, you have two lineups. You can aim the first HUD line where the two lines here meet and left click shoot. Or you can aim at the bottom of this triangle shape with the end of your left HUD line. After using both mollies, you can either go left or right to spam the spike.
I have the spike.